That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. I'll tell you what, I've seen some good exhausts. These are something else. These are S&S, super heavy because the quality is unreal, right? You check the thickness of these brackets. That is not an old exhaust bracket, okay? Nuts welded on, real thick. I'd say these are actually fully double skin. Looking down inside them, you see how thick that steel is. These really are unbelievable quality. That's the only word to describe them. Okay, now the other thing you get with them, black ceramic, not paint like some should be nameless. You get these power thruster end caps, basically modelled on SR71, something like that. But I've got to admit, it really is an amazing bit of kit. And on your bagger, let's be honest, S&S is pretty cool anyway. These are your power race tours, okay? So these particular mufflers, race tour, mean that you've got good deep sound, masses of power, and you really will have something that looks different. So you've got two of these on the back here, right? You can just imagine this thing blasting off out of area 51. But very, very cool bit of kit, I've got to admit. These are on offer at the moment, so if you're interested in it, give us a call, 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com. But quality wise, I'll be dead honest with you, I've never seen an exhaust this well made, and we do a lot of different exhausts. But S&S, we do all the motors, all the gear that they do, and you will know that S&S is pure performance and mega quality. So these fit all 95 up baggers and look amazing, and we have got offers on your headers as well. Okay, so we've got black or chrome, but if you want the ultimate in quality, I've got to admit, these bagger pipes, just check the thickness of this stuff. I mean, this is not for the faint-hearted. This is proper stuff. Give us a call, 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com, or the new site, not a lot on it, but it is pretty good, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.